Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Christopher Manyweather. This is Deadstock Barbershop, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. But first, I want to share a little story with you guys and give you a little backstory to what's in the package and what may possibly be in this package. So stay tuned so you guys can see what it is. I've been using Babyliss trimmers for multiple years now, going all the way back to the BG59s right here. Man, I haven't seen a bad pair of BG59s. Like, I was sold on these trimmers, and the crazy thing was about these Babyliss trimmers, where they were $20. We were like buying these things like crazy. The blade was crazy. Like, the actual trimmer itself was kind of weak, but when I say like they hit, you tap anything, anybody, anywhere, it don't matter what race, what kind of hair they got, overly curly, straight hair, like everything, it was coming off. That was probably in like 2014, 2015. Fast forward to now, we've had the gold FX, red FX, the silver FX, the rose gold, like all these different colors, the influencer packs. All of that stuff has dropped. I've had 6 pair of these new trimmers, and out of the 6, only one has hit. I use 1 pair of trimmers all day, and it's the red ones. But what you may not know, that's not the original blade that came with them. What you see me using is actually the original gold blade from the first gold skeletons. I put that blade onto my red FX. All the other pairs that I bought, they did not work. They work on certain types of hair and they work at certain times, but they weren't a consistent, sharp, crispy line. I've been cutting hair 20 years, guys. So when I say they don't hit, it's because I've tried everything short of modifying the blade, which on one of them, I actually tried to modify the blade and it still didn't do anything. The reason that I have a package today is because Shannon S Craft Blends made a post on Instagram raving over the new FX3 series trimmer. He's like, man, these things are hitters and all this stuff. And when you look all over social media, you don't see really people, like any influencers, complaining about it. The Frank the Barber's like, I really couldn't even get a nice line on my mustache. It was crazy. I let him know, I was like, man, with these new trimmers coming out, I'm apprehensive about spending more money to purchase some trimmers that could possibly not work. And I've never taken the time to bash or badmouth Babyliss because of their customer service. I bought 2 pair of gold ones at one time. One of them got really loud and messed up. Sent the guy Dennis, these trimmers are not, like, they're super loud. And I sent him a video of it and he sent me a replacement pair, like no questions asked. I didn't even have to send them back in. So like, I messed with them for that. Like a lot of companies won't do that. They won't honor their own products. I never took the opportunity to say 1 for 6, this is trash, this is horrible. If I got one to hit like crazy, I know that they actually have a good product. Quality control may be a little off. Something's going on to where they're letting these blades get out and some people get crazy hitters. Fast forward, I write and leave a message saying, bro, I don't want to spend more money. I think I'm going to chill. I'm done giving Babyliss money right now because of this is what's going on. And I even tagged Dennis in it. And so Dennis responds and says, send me the blades back. I'll send you replacement blades and I'll even set them myself if I have to. So I'm like, man, that's crazy. I sent him the blades. I kept a pair on my red FX. I gave a pair of trimmers away already. So I ended up sending him 4 different blades. The reason I'm saying I don't know what's in the package, because I asked him for those FX3 trimmers. And I'm like, man, I would love to get my hands on those. If I could just test them, I'll review it on my channel. Please send me those as well as the blades if you can. Honestly, I get a lot of you guys, you're watching my videos, y'all like, man, those trimmers hit. What are those? You know, because everybody's all over the world. Everybody doesn't know what every product is. So I'm like, okay, these are the red FX skeletons by Babyliss. But I don't want it to be to where I'm like not being honest, because my experience is not that. But I know so many people who have the trimmers that work really well. So it's just kind of the luck of the draw. I don't know which ones I'm gonna get. And so I'll be so happy when they get it down packed, but I'll never bash them. Like I said, I use 1 pair of trimmers every day, and it's those red FX ones with the gold blade, and they're freaking Mike Tyson knockout hitters, you know what I'm saying? Y'all say a quick prayer those trimmers are in there, or some kind of trimmers, like not just the blades. But if it's just the blades, like I don't lose in this situation because bro, I'm replacing all your blades. I'm really hoping that they all hit. You can't erase the experience, but you know, that apprehensiveness, that kind of like I don't really know, should I try for a 7th time and maybe get my 2nd pair of hitters? You know, I just don't know. So let's get to it. We're gonna open these up and we're gonna see what is in the package. So we got our box, we got a blade, and it says 1 pound. It feels like it's more than just blades in here, but I just don't know. So here we go. Gotta get strong. The man hands. They sent me that big old box just to have this little box in here. So it's probably just blades. I asked, I tried. Gold FX 2.0, a regular Gold FX, black graphite, Rose FX 2.0, black graphite 2.0. Would I've liked to receive those trimmers? Yeah, but you know, I'm not one of the big guys yet, so I didn't get it. Really, this is like an unboxing slash review of Babyliss and kind of like my story. 5 different blades, like one of every single blade they ever created. So I'm not mad at this. But at the end of the day, that's love, bro. That's what you want in a company. That's what you want brought to the industry. And hopefully we'll see more from other companies. Not to knock on Andis. I use their product. My favorite clippers are the Andis Masters. After your warranty and stuff is up, they're going to charge you for something that they have to replace. This is a good look. I know these blades are like 40-50 bucks and he sends me 5 of them. I'm not mad at that. You guys rock with Babyliss, man. If y'all not on it yet, they go the extra mile to take care of their customers, and we can't ask for more than that. I'm looking forward to trying all of these out and seeing which ones work best on my trimmers. Thank you guys for watching. This is Mini Weather. Me and my blades is out. Peace.